What's going on, guys? Sorry for yesterday. I was quite busy, couldn't make a video, and today I find finally time to make one. I promised myself today I'm gonna make a video for you guys. So Bitcoin is moving exactly as I mentioned to you in my last video, that we potentially come here to $27,700 and will bounce up from there. And now the question is the bounce in play? Or will we see lower prices? That is something that we have to talk about today. So definitely make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, like this video, and also activate the bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates as I'm publishing them. So let's now directly get into today's content. And let's start off with the 4-hourly chart here. So first of all, I want to remove here this bull flag that we had because it broke to the downside, which can happen. It's not guaranteed that this always breaks to the upside, so we have to remove that. So but we see here right now another interesting pattern unfolding, and that is here this W pattern, and we got to the neckline here at $28,300 and got rejected for now from that neckline. So if we get by the next 4-hourly candle in the next 5 hours back up here and we see a breakthrough and a retest of the $28,300 level, that will be our entry point for this long trade that we have set up here. So of course the first time when we came above here it did not work out, which is absolutely fine, but trading is a game about statistics, and it means we have just to win more trades than we lose. And I'm totally transparent with you guys, and you know that. So that of course that was a losing trade. So but now we have this bullish W-shaped pattern in the charts. So if we come back up in the next let's say 2 4-hourly candles, so in the next 9 hours, and break above that and retest that level successfully with a bounce off, then we can enter this trade and trade this all the way up to around $30,000. That has not changed, guys. It would only change if we break under $27,700, as I just said at the beginning of the video, and we close a candle under this. Let me put a line in there. So let's say we break under this level, it's get retested and rejected, then we can start potentially shorting Bitcoin all the way down to $25,200. That would be then the target to the downside. Then I will start shorting, but not before, guys, not before. So we have to wait how the next 2 to 3 4-hourly candles are playing out to make here an educated decision how we going to play this. But I have also really some good news by the end of the video. So then here, as I explained, we bounced off the $27,700 level, came all the way up to that resistance line of our range that we are trading in. But I think the price gets now squeezed between $27,700 and $28,400 as we are bouncing here for quite a while up and down on the daily chart already. And the daily chart has now completely resetted on the stochastic RSI. And that tells me that the bulls are preparing potentially for a bigger move to the upside over the next coming days here. When we are going then here to the 1-hourly chart, here we see that we got basically, yeah, we fell off that descending triangle that we had here, ascending triangle that we got here. We fell off here and got a retest. We got another retest in the last couple of hours, and now the Bitcoin price is getting, yeah, moving lower. But right now we can also see that with that wick to the downside that the buyers are stepping in, but we could see another hour or two of downwards movement or sideways movement before the indicators have resetted and we see another move to the upside to $29,000, $30,000. Let's see what the EMA ribbon is telling us. Here on the EMA ribbon, we are trying to flip here bullish again. Right now we are in a downtrend on the EMA ribbon. Here we started the downtrend when we flipped, and we are now about to try to flip this back to the upside to enter a new uptrend on the 1-hourly time frame. So once that is happening, and then we could already open a small long position to the upside, but I would only do this if the stochastic would be completely on the bottom here, around that level here. That's where I would do that. If we then flip here on the EMA ribbon once more bullish. Then when we move to this 4-hourly chart, so here you can clearly see we're still trading here in that range, but with that W pattern that we have here, we might potentially break out of it. So, and the technical target, so that would be around $29,600-ish. So we only have to break the neckline of that W pattern, which is sitting here. So it's a little bit lower. Yeah, $29,500. So if we break above that level, then this target is in play. And like I said, when we break above the neckline and get a retest of the neckline, that's when we want to open our next long position here to that technical target. So now, don't forget, guys, if you want to trade with me together, you can do that definitely on BYBIT. And also copy trade my trades. If you sign up with this specific link, only with this specific link, you will be able to copy trade me. So definitely take advantage of that. And there are only 50 slots left to copy trade me. After that, it's closed. So only 50 more people can copy me before all slots are gone. So definitely take advantage of that and also claim then your $30,000 bonus. So now let's talk quickly about the Bitcoin dominance, because here something interesting happened, and that's why we see a lot of altcoins today already rallying a little bit. Let me go here. So when you look here on my watch list, so most of it is already in green and pumping to the upside. So, and that is because the Bitcoin dominance, as I stated as a scenario, got rejected from the 47.82% level, and now we are moving all the way down to potentially 46.9, and that will lead, of course, to a nice rally in most of all altcoins out there. And that is just the start, in my opinion. So, and why is this happening? This is happening because people start to get bored about Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is just ranging right now and not going anywhere, and people want to, of course, make money. They have not a lot of patience, and that's why they're starting to rolling over a little bit of their money already into altcoins, and that's why the dominance is dropping today, and that's why we're making really nice gains already on altcoins here, as you have seen with my copy trade on CRV that finally closed in a nice profit today. We could have made more if I would have not been busy, and I would have removed the take profit point, would have put it higher. But like I said, I was unfortunately busy and wasn't able to do that. But regardless, there are more trades to make with me together. Also in my paid group, we're making a killing right now with the altcoins moving. So definitely also check that out. And yeah, that's basically already it for today. So don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.